To begin, consider the classic experiment known as the elephant toothpaste. It's a playful name for a reaction that demonstrates the rapid decomposition of hydrogen peroxide when mixed with dish soap and potassium iodide. The soap traps the oxygen gas released from the hydrogen peroxide, creating a massive and quite entertaining foam eruption, a spectacle that's a joy to witness but also highlights the fascinating world of chemical reactions. Now imagine a substance so powerful it could eat right through metal. Well, that's no science fiction, it's the reality of Aqua Regia. This potent mixture of nitric and hydrochloric acid can dissolve noble metals like gold and platinum. It's a testament to the sheer power of chemical reactions and the transformative ability of acids. But chemistry isn't always about dramatic reactions. Sometimes it's about subtler yet equally captivating phenomena. For example, take the blue bottle experiment. It involves a mixture of glucose, sodium hydroxide, and methylene blue. When shaken, the solution turns blue, but then, as if by magic, it fades back to colorless. This oscillating reaction is a visual treat and a remarkable example of how chemistry can create and manipulate color. Lastly, imagine a liquid that acts like a solid when you apply pressure, a phenomenon known as non-Newtonian fluid. Make a mixture of cornstarch and water, and you can see this in action. Hit the mixture hard, and it behaves like a solid, but let it rest or move it slowly, and it flows like a liquid. It's a fantastic example of how matter can change its state under different conditions. In essence, these experiments, from the eruptive elephant toothpaste to the transformative Aqua Regia, the color-changing blue bottle, and the state-altering non-Newtonian fluid, reveal the incredible diversity and potential of chemical reactions. They demonstrate how chemistry shapes and transforms our world in ways that are often unseen but are always at work. Chemistry is all about the interactions of substances, the breaking and forming of bonds, the release and absorption of energy. And these experiments bring that reality to life in ways that are both tangible and visually captivating. They are a testament to the power, the beauty, and the magic of chemistry, a science that is as integral to our lives as the air we breathe and the water we drink. Remember, the world of chemistry is a world of wonder, filled with phenomena that challenge our understanding, that surprise and delight us, and that open our minds to the endless possibilities of scientific exploration.